back with my live trading. It's June 18th, 11:57. FOMC meeting, 3 o'clock today. So let's see how it goes in this trade. Got a sweet entry. Didn't load up my app. Jumped in right here. We got a great entry, 291. Oh my god, if we get a break of structure here, dude, it's gonna be so good. If we get a break of structure here, it's gonna be so good. These contracts are really moving today, so we're already up 6% on this trade. Oh, and we got the break. And we got the break. Going for a good 30% on this trade. If we can get that, I'd be so happy. Let's see. Oh, we're up 10% on it. That's good. That's real good. Let's check out the 5 minutes. See what these candlesticks are looking like on the bigger time frames. Huge engulfing candle. That gives me such big confluence to break under. Little confusion candles, dojis going on here. It's got 35 seconds to close. Looks like we're gonna close engulfing. That'd be amazing. Let's see if we do it. 30 seconds. Oh my goodness, big closure. Huge engulfing closure. Let's go. We did take a little trade on ZS today. Ended up getting stopped out. Honestly, since I had like 3 weeks out contracts, lost like 2% on this trade, so it's okay. Just hit that 5-minute order block, see if that's gonna make it go up. This is looking like, where's the 15-minute at? Yep, see, it was a doji, so 15-minute doji doesn't know where it wants to be. 15-minute could honestly just push right up, but 5-minute looks good. 1 minute looks good. They honestly could just come fill this gap and continue on down. Got liquidity to take all the way around here. I'll get back to you guys. Because, like, I don't know. Recording 40-minute videos of me just sitting here. So I'll just, like, update you when the positions move to the next, I don't know, 3 minutes. Alright, back with an update. Stocks running back up. So let's see what's going to happen here. Contracts right now are only up 1%, so, and I'm priced in way up here, so we'll see what's going on there. May or may not be taking a bigger loss than intended. We'll see. I mean, right around here, I'd be like, you know, because we did get the break structure, I'd be like, oh, stop loss to break even. So, stop loss to break even right here, but not today. We're just gonna, we're letting this one ride, see what we can get. If we get it, great. If we don't get it, great. Again, guys, you gotta trade like robots. Just kidding. That little move right there made the contract go up 6%. Dude, it's crazy. Crazy work. It's 12:14 now. I've been in this trade for, well, it's almost been an hour. This trade for an hour. Yeah, so the real question is, should I have considered this a break of structure? Honestly, maybe not. Boom, boom. Little tiny break. Stab into liquidity, grabbed it, shot down, touched it again, but no order block. Shot down, touched it again. This time order block, and let's see if we shoot down. We're going to need that big move, take out liquidity here, bounce up, go to our target. We'll see if we get there. If not, we're probably going to get stopped out. I'll let you know with the update. But if it's 3 o'clock, let's mark this on the chart. 3 o'clock, we're getting out, so. Can I change this? I don't like this time scale like this. Okay. So we're going to get out 2:45 right before the FOMC meeting. Let's make sure that's correct. But we got a little bit of time to be in this position. Let's see what ZS is doing. Did it? No. How about Dash? I thought about getting a Dash today. What I got? Cooked. Unless I didn't see this. Oh, I literally did not see this. There's a gap on the top. This would have been here. No, it would have been right there. So that would have been. This one made the break of structure, so and I would have lost because of my own error, but break of structure, come down, order block, push, fresh liquidity here, got a gap, got a gap, got a gap, so yeah. I'll be back with another update. It's now 2:27. Trade technically did get stopped out, but while I was sitting here noticing the charts, I noticed, what did we have? Can you tell before I answer it? All right, I'll tell you. So we had manipulation, right? Up, the upside. Or no, my. Accumulation to the upside, right? So we had this upward move again. So accumulation. Then we had manipulation. Okay, that's what we were sitting in. We were trading manipulation. Bad idea, right? Okay, then we had distribution phase. Okay, we broke structure, grabbed this liquidity, entered this fair value gap, and then pushed on up. Okay, I ended up noticing this right around here after we filled this gap, and I was like, oh shit, this is gonna hit my stop loss. So I ended up taking profit right around here. And yep. So we made 7% on this trade. A little $400. Not where I wanted to be. I wanted this to take the lows here and dump, but we didn't. But that's okay. Still got out in profit, and I'll show you guys in a sec. I thought I made a little bit more, but you can see we bought in for 5,800. We ended up closing for 6,100. And then this was also yesterday's position. We got in for 6,000, closed for 7. You can also see another target put the other day. Got in for 57.66, closed for 63.58. So yeah, last 3 days, this week's been going pretty well. So technically we're up. This is 600. That's basically 1,000. And this is 300. So we're up about 1,900 this week. Pretty good. Yeah. So that's it. That's all with the trades. Yeah. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, leave a like, comment what you want to see more of, and I hope you guys check out the live stream. I'll be live streaming once a week, as long as I figure out where to do a setup for my streams, because I like trading on my Mac. But if I have to trade on my desktop, I'll figure it out once a week. That'd be fine. All right, later, boys and girls.